Bye.
Don't say that I can't see you again.
I don't know. I wish. Yeah, I'm here.
I was really eager to see your face. How's everything?
Thank God,
honestly, because it's really hard.
Yeah.
I just feel that I'm blind.
Yes.
Start at the ceiling. How's everything?
Everything goes great.
Oh, I'm so happy to hear so.
Yes.
All right, I'm not sure if we can finish it or not in 15 minutes, but I want to just listen to the story and see what you can get, okay? Then we will talk about it.
They talked about their travel adventures. I felt bad as I had nothing to say, but then my friend said I could use his yacht to sail around the world in just 80 days.
So, what did you get from Phil?
He started with, it was an interesting day. I'm working on a book that I want to write a book, but today I can't read it. I can't write it. Today I meet my friend and they were talking about the travel adventure. I feel bad because I have nothing to say about it. My friend suggests me to have 80 days for trip, and I need money, I think.
Let's listen to the rest of the story. I'm not sure if we can finish it or, yeah, we try to. Okay. What did you get up to now?
They gather together. He says that I'm working on a book, but he says the name of his book, but he says my book never sound ever because it's not that much popular, and I need some money for it. I don't know, for trip or for his book. He needs money. And
he's an author, right?
Yeah, and he says no, he's not author. He
said I'm an author.
As he said, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And
yeah, I want you to listen to this part again because it gives us some information. This is chiming. The bell's chiming. Ding.
I only have enough spare money to buy a few drinks at my local pub.
Spare money, he says?
Yeah, spare money means the money that you just put aside for having fun or anything.
Spare money?
Spare money, yeah. Also, we use spare for time. We say, what do you do in your spare time? The thing,
S-P-A-R-E?
Exactly. The thing that you don't need is called spare. So what did they talk about?
They're talking about their interesting things and important things that they do in their life. One of them says, I climbed up Everest. One of them says cycling. And one of them says, I sell something to America. What is
Yeah, sailed on a yacht. I have bathed by my hands. You know yacht?
Yacht?
Yacht. No, yacht. The CH is not pronounced. This is yacht. Okay?
Yeah.
A bigger boat that sometimes it has galley, you know, galley? Different parts. Galley is the kitchen. Yeah? Okay, yacht. So where were we? Yeah, here. Has he had any?
No, because he says I don't have enough money, and his friends
encouraged
him, right?
Yeah.
And his friends encourage him to adventure.
To have adventures. Very good. So what has Tom suggested?
One of his friends suggests him to work in a yacht, and he can sell something all around the world, but as he is not a riskable, do we have any riskable word?
Risk taker.
Risk taker, right? Yeah. As he's not a risk taker person, he says that's a very good idea because I can work on my book and write about my adventure, but I'm not a risk taker. I can't take risk, so I won't accept that.
Yeah, I think about the problems more. He's pessimistic. Do you know pessimistic?
Yes, this is me.
Yeah, pessimistic. So, what was the bet?
You can sell. Is it clear something that he wants to sell, or no? He doesn't talk about it.
The yacht.
Sell the yacht. He's working with yacht.
No, he's not working. Look, he said, let's make a challenge. Tom said to Phil, let's make a challenge. Take my yacht, travel around the world in 80 days.
Sell.
If you could do it, you can do whatever with my yacht. You can have it or sell it. This is on one side. Then he said, you can earn a fortune with the stories and the things you write during your adventure. Yeah? He said, one shot, 2 points. Yatiru donation.
I can't understand the second part.
Which part? The second part? I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Yeah. He said, go on a travel in 80 days with my yacht for free and start writing. Then your book would be a good seller. You can earn money. And if you can finish the travel in 80 days, you would have my yacht for yourself for free. Then you can keep my yacht or you can sell my yacht. Okay? So.
Oh, and at the end, when none of them happen.
No, he hasn't answered yet. He hasn't answered. He said, just let's drink. And then we will see the answer next session. Was it good? Did you like this type of listening?
Yes, I like. I'm not a good listener as I'm not a good writer.
You can practice. You can practice. Yeah.
Practice.
Okay. Any questions?
No, nothing.
No. See you on next Wednesday. I'm going to cancel your Monday. Yeah. You're welcome. Have a nice time. Have a nice weekend.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.